Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Speak English with Tom and Jerry. I'm Tom. Today I have one big question for you. Do you translate in your head before speaking English? Many learners say yes. They think in their own language first, then try to change words into English. But translation makes you slow. It makes you nervous. It makes English feel heavy. So today I will give you simple ideas and easy techniques so you can start thinking in English today. Stay with me until the end because I'll share a simple one-week plan you can follow. Why translation is a problem. Our brain has two systems. One is fast and automatic. The other is slow and careful. When you translate, you use the slow system. First, you make the sentence in your language, and then you change it into English. This takes time. It creates stress. But when you think in English directly, you use the fast system. No checking, no delay, just simple, natural speaking. Imagine this. You're in a cafe. The waiter asks, "What would you like to drink?" If you translate, you stop. You think, you change words. The waiter waits. You feel nervous. But if you think in English directly, it's easy. A coffee, please. Fast, confident, natural. Micro moments. So how do we train the brain? Not with one big step, but with many small steps. Think of drinking water. You don't drink all the water in 1 second. You drink many times during the day. Language is the same. You must use small daily moments. We call these micro moments. Examples. When you open the fridge, say, "I am opening the fridge." When you tie your shoes, say, "I am tying my shoes." When you wash your hands, say, "I am washing my hands." When you look outside, say, "I am looking out the window." Just one sentence. Just 3 seconds. Very simple. Very powerful. At first it feels slow, but slowly your brain connects actions with English. Soon the words will come automatically. English islands. Now maybe you say, "Tom, I don't live in an English-speaking country. What can I do?" Good question. The answer is build English islands. An island is a small piece of land in the sea. Around it is water. Inside it is land. In the same way, your day may be full of your own language, but you can create small islands of English. For example, at breakfast, spend 10 minutes in English only. Say, "This is bread. The bread is fresh. I like tea. The tea is hot." In the evening, listen to 15 minutes of English music or a podcast. Watch a short video. Repeat the words. At first, your islands are small, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but slowly they grow bigger. The more islands you build, the less you translate, the more natural English will feel. Use pictures, not translations. Here's another tip. Stop connecting English words to your language. Many learners do this. They learn the word apple, but in their head they think of the translation. This is slow because the brain first goes to your language, then comes back to English. Instead, use pictures. Imagine a big red apple. Imagine the smell, the taste, the sound when you bite. Now the word apple connects directly to the picture, not to your language. This is how children learn. They don't translate. They connect words to the real world. Self-talk. Here is a strange but powerful idea. Talk to yourself. Psychologists call this self-talk. It means you are your own English partner. Examples. I am walking to the bus. I must remember my phone. Well done, I finished my work. You can do it quietly or out loud. It is free, it is private, and it really works. 1 week plan. Now let's make a simple plan. Here's what you do for 1 week. Morning. Create an English island at breakfast. Think and speak only in English for 5 to 10 minutes. During the day, Use micro moments. One short sentence for each action. Evening. Watch a short English video or listen to music. Repeat the words. Before bed, self-talk. Tell yourself what you did today in English. That's it. Not long, not hard, but very powerful. Final words. So my friends, remember this. Translation is normal at the start, but it is not the end. You can train your brain to think in English directly. Use micro moments. Build English islands. Use pictures, not translations. And practice self-talk. The more you practice, the faster English will come. One day, without even trying, you will think in English naturally. Thank you for watching English Unleashed. I'm Tom. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most important, keep believing in yourself. See you next time. Bye and forget to subscribe.